Alright, so we're going to learn how to install plugins in our favorite image editor, Paint.net. So the first thing you want to do is you need to figure out where Paint.net is installed. You can do that by right-clicking on the icon and going to Open File Location. And that'll take us, that's where all the magic happens. This is where all of the Paint.net files are located. And this folder is the one where plugins go. It's a folder called Effects, and I have downloaded Pyrochild, Bolt Bait Pack, and Pyrochild comes in two different styles. One is the installer that does it automatically. So just opening this file and running it will automatically install the plugin. I'm not going to do that in this instance because I want to show you the other way it's done. So each of these are kind of separate plugins you can use. This is part of the the Pyrochild pack. I'm going to highlight all these, hold down Shift and select them all, and I'm going to drag them over to that effects folder. I'm going to unzip them so the DLL files just go directly into the effects folder, and you got to have administrator rights to do it apparently. I do, so I'm going to hit continue, do it for all the items. Alright, and if you have Paint.net open already, close it and restart it. We're going to open it. And under Effects and Tools, I now have Liquify. So it installed successfully. So that's how it's done. That's how you install plugins in Paint.net. Either the plugin provider, once again, will provide you either with a executable you can launch, or you can drag and drop them manually. In this case, Pyrochild supplies both. So that's how it's done. I hope this helped. For more WordPress or website building related content, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Or visit wpwebworkshop.com.